So May month is the electrical safety month, and yeah, so we're going to try and focus on that, try to give something away every day and learn through it as well myself. So yeah, I'm writing blogs and on for my website. If you want to go and have a look, ltvtech.co.za, look at the blogs. So I'm going to try and release one article per day. And I started off with AC/DC, Thunderstruck, and that was the inspiration of AC/DC, where they looked at the current wars. So yeah, go to YouTube, go look at a few videos there. On the article I wrote today as well, I included one short video that compiles everything. The Thomas Edison versus Tesla. Brilliant. 1895, 1891. So it's more than 120 years ago. But the war that was created between these two currents, AC and DC, and the electrical chair that came with it, the first electrical chair. This is politics. This is controlling the world, and we still use this. And there was lots of wars and people, so very interesting. Go and have a look at it, learn from it. I always say we tend to think that new technology, I mean, my company is LTV Tech, but sometimes we need to go back to basics. We know it throughout life. Eh? So DC was from Edison, AC was from Tesla. Tesla worked for Edison and developed AC. He got the contracts, but yeah, he was not as good businessman. Interesting that Elon Musk, even in that same video, so go and have a look at that video. Also said he likes more Edison DC because Edison produced, although that Tesla, he named his Tesla after it's using an AC motor, so using DC to produce AC, and that's where we are today. Is now, it used to be DC, then it went to AC, and now we're going back to DC, and that's where my safety is all about. Is about the DC products. Don't think that green energy has this thinking of it is green, it is safe. It's not safe. Go look. Edison had a what did it go? A fetish or something for electrocuting animals. That was his. Go look at the video. Very, very, very interesting. So I learned a lot through the history. Some things that I've learned throughout the years, I forget. So you have to review it all the time. And I get to the age where I forget quite a lot. But yeah, just very interesting. Electrical safety month. Make electrical, learn from electrics. And I've got a thing that I really want to try somehow to get from the young age, because we will move into a new revolution on DC current again, where we are not really educated, and we think that it is safe, and it is not safe. So that we can go to schools, primary schools, learn people about how to switch off, because if emergencies happen, we need to be safe, so that you don't do something foolish. As I told before, I will include this in this month as well. The smallest the smallest death on a system, on a solar system, was a 24-volt system, 2 panels on a roof, on a caravan, and the guy had perfect conditions, wet hands, on he was working on his aircon, not even with his solar panels, and he got electrocuted and he died. So yeah, and then also the volts that they used to electrocute the first person, and very interesting. I will include this as well. It just takes time to create these beautiful videos, and I really try to get time, but I'm very busy trying to bring products, and we're all busy. But I will try my best, and so hopefully we can learn something through this month, and looking forward to it. add a playlist. So I'm going to put a playlist on electrical. So then it will be part one, part two. But yeah, follow us also. And yeah, people go to LinkedIn. LinkedIn is also a very good place to get involved with professionals. That's the new flat roof fire regulations are out in the UK. So yeah, people that I met people on LinkedIn, through LinkedIn, um, the people, the regulators, they want some feedback. They want to talk. And yeah, on Sunday, please remember, I did put a post there. I'm going to talk to Colonel Chris Wyatt. We're going to have a live there, so on the YouTube. So we're going to talk about PV safety, and what a better place to start with the Electrical Safety Month, bringing out awareness. I know I'm not into politics at all, and we need you people as well. Like 2-3 months or 2-3 weeks ago, I did a few that I say I'm gutful for this politic thing. But we need you. We need some politicians to guide us, and yeah, may this year be something that change. I really hope so, and I can see some positive feedbacks. I actually now I need to prepare myself for the podcast or whatever. So I need to learn who is Colonel Chris. I saw some of his contact before, or his content before, but yeah, it's just interesting to see what he does. Everybody of us has a purpose, and yeah, I'm a small guy. I'm a small guy doing my thing, trying to contribute, and I mean, I'm helping people. People are helping me. My connections, my connections. But yeah, I can relate with Tesla. Sometimes I need to know how to convert into dollars or money. And yeah, we've got two products, but to get it to market is not easy, but it is awareness. It's about safety, and I'm sure one of these days we'll get there. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. If you watched till now again, yeah, I really appreciate that.